Hi, I'm Melina, and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to make a polymer clay bowl. For this next step, we're going to slice our cane. So, we're going to take our slicer. You can use an oiled butter knife. You can use pretty much anything you want that will slice evenly. I got this at an art store. It's just a general little plastic slicer. You can use it to slice your clay. So, we're going to... And remember, the first few slices are going to be a little bit messed up because you have all the uneven edges. But we're going to go slowly, and we're going to cut across. Now, if you slice your cane and you find that all the colors are smushing together, it means that the cane needs to sit. It needs to harden a little. So one thing you can do is you can put it in the freezer or in the refrigerator for a few minutes to see if it hardens. All right, yes, that's the exact effect that I was going for.